Hello everyone, welcome to Pictory. If you're looking to create videos but you're saying, well, I don't want to appear on camera, maybe I don't even know what to record, I don't have any professional recording equipment, I'm not particularly good using my phone or my camcorder, and I'm not really confident on camera to do that. Plus, I don't have a script. Even if I could jump on camera, what am I going to say and how am I going to write a script? Because let's face it, if you want to have a good video and you don't just want to wing it, say, whatever it is, you need a good script. Well, Pictory is going to make all that super easy for you, because here you can automatically create short, highly shareable branded videos from your long form content. The nice thing is it's easy, it's cost effective. You don't need even technical skills or software. And the best part of all of this is you get started for free, completely for free. You can start making awesome videos right here. As we can see in the UI right here, you just take an article. So you have an article, you read it, you're like, oh wow, this is good content here. You can actually create that to video. You can take a script if you have one and put it to video and just create awesome videos right here. As we can see, there's a lot of really good reviews. Pictory AI is the best image recognition software available with its accuracy, range of features, and very easy integration. So how does it work? You create short branded video snippets from long form videos and use the advanced AI to get you content working for you automatically by extracting gold nuggets hidden deep within your Zoom, Teams webinar, your recordings, whatever it is. You can actually make quick videos. As we can see here, the AI does that for you. And then you can either take scripts. Maybe you have a script written and you want to turn that into a jaw-dropping sales video. You can use the AI to create automatically high conversion video sales letters complete with stock footage, music, and voiceovers, so you never miss a production deadline again. And last but not least, turn blog posts into engaging videos on autopilot. That's going to help you breathe new life into your blog by adding more videos, boost search engine rankings, and you can watch your readership skyrocket. Because why? People don't want to just read a long blog. They want to see an engaging video. And even now you're watching this video, this is proof that people want to see videos and want to hear a narration of it. Not just say, here's a long form blog that you have to read. One of the best parts of this is that instead of trying to add captions manually, which can take a long time, which is really tough, you can increase your reach. 85% of social media videos are watched on mute. Why? Because maybe people have something else they're doing in the background. They're running on the treadmill, they're doing dishes, or they just don't want to have it on maybe in their work setting or at the office. But they're watching social media videos to see different content and learn maybe about health, fitness, make money online, or just stuff they're interested in. Maybe it's even a TikTok type video. So here, this adds captions automatically so they can go ahead and read. Because if it's on mute, they're not going to hear the audio. They want to hear it, and Pictory automatically adds those captions to your videos. Not only does it do that, it does it easily and accurately. It's not guessing. So you don't have to outsource this. You don't have to waste hours trying to do it yourself. You can just literally take the script that you like, the article you like, boom, make an awesome video right here. As we can see, people really impressed with this. Vidnami they've been looking for video creation tools, tried Vidnami. They're super complex, costly UI. Pictory's easy to do. As we can see here, views from organic searches. I'm enjoying Pictory and really learning the use of the software. I started a new channel on the 14th of this month, and all my videos are getting views from organic searches. So this does work to help boost SEO. With this, if you have good thumbnails and you have a good title and description, you don't have to even show your face and you can completely crush it on YouTube. As we can see, easiest video editing ever. Easiest video editing ever with text-based editing features as well. It's amazing, fast, and easy to use. This is something you can utilize because this is really fun. You just turn your scripts into jaw-dropping sales videos. You can automatically extract short videos from snippets, from long-form videos. Whether that's something you got from your webinar, whether that's something you got from your blog, and you can turn your text blog post into engaging videos on autopilot. So no more just having that blog post sitting there with tons and tons of words. Why not make it into something that people will watch? And people are looking at videos. And last but not least, as we talked about, it automatically adds captions to it, and 85% of social media videos are watched on mute because maybe someone's busy, so they can see the captions right there. And a lot of big names love this, as we can see Trustpilot, Capterra, and Product Hunt, and some amazing testimonials about that. And they also have partnership with the big names, Storyblocks, Hootsuite, Google, Amazon, Pexels, just to name a few. And you can get started right now absolutely for free. So this is Pictory Video Creations made easy. You can use your article, your script, and make an awesome video people are going to love, and is going to help you convert as well.